guys, welcome back to the Commercial Law School. A lot of you guys have been asking us for guidance for Alan and Overy's application form, so we decided to seek guidance from individuals who would be better placed to advise on this area. Luckily, Annabel from the legal lineup and Shanen from Commercially Curious have kindly allowed us to reiterate the points they set out in their guidance document. We have also added some of our own opinions, so for anyone applying for A&O's vacation scheme or making a direct training contract application, this video is for you. So in terms of general application advice, we made a video last week about application do's and don'ts, so you can refer to this as a starting point before you start drafting your answers. However, the focus of this video will be on A&O's application form more specifically. This year's application form consists of 3 250-word questions and an extra section where you can give details of other achievements. So the first question is an adaptability question, and it asks you to describe a time where you demonstrated adaptability to reach a positive outcome, the role you played, the outcome, and also whether you did anything innovative as part of the solution. Before attempting this question, you need to understand two things. Firstly, what adaptability means, and secondly, why it is an important skill for A&O. In simple terms, adaptability is the ability to adapt to new conditions, and it is an important skill for A&O because they are a very innovative firm, so they will want to know that you can confidently adjust to new changes. So now that you understand these two things, you should think back to a time where you have shown adaptability. It doesn't matter whether this is a law or non-law experience, it's more about how you sell yourself. Also, remember that the question is asking about you, so make sure you talk about your personal contributions and not what anyone else did. And when drafting your answer, you can use the star structure to make your answer stronger. Finally, make sure you are answering every element of the question. So make sure you describe a situation where you showed adaptability, describe your role, describe the outcome, and also highlight whether there was anything innovative about your approach. We will now consider the challenging situation question, which asks you to describe a challenging situation you have faced, discuss what made it challenging, how you responded, and also what you learnt in the process. Again, this question contains a keyword, so make sure you are discussing a situation that you genuinely found difficult and that you also understand why you are being asked this question so you can give the best answer possible. Again, this question has several elements, and to perform well, you need to ensure that you are discussing the challenging situation, what made it challenging, how you responded, and what you learnt in the process. You should use the star structure because this covers all the elements required. In terms of word count breakdown, the bulk of your answer should be focused on explaining your response or the actions that you took, and also any quantifiable results and lessons learnt. Back to what I was saying before, consider why you are being asked this question. As a trainee, you are likely to face many challenges, so graduate recruitment will want to know that you are resilient and will be able to respond effectively to difficult situations in the future. Next, we will consider the new law question, which asks if you could introduce a new law, what would it be and why? This is the question that we have had the most questions about, so we hope that those questions will be answered in this video. This question is assessing your commercial awareness, so you need to know what it means to be commercially aware. For more information on this, we will link our commercial awareness video in the description bar below. Again, this question has several elements, so make sure you are answering both what the new law would be and also discussing why you are making that particular suggestion. So in terms of what you should talk about in this section, it would be good to base your law on a current affair. This is a good suggestion because it shows that your answer is well thought out and that you are aware of what is going on in the business and legal world. You should also consider the fact that you're applying to A&O, who are a highly innovative firm, so if you could introduce a law that would have some positive impact on the firm or their clients, this would develop your answer. Luckily, you can find a list of current digital developments on A&O's website that you can research further into, and these are displayed on the screen. So once you have thought about a new law, you should also talk about the impact that the new law would have. Here are some things you could consider. Finally, the last section asks you to bullet point anything else you'd like to add to your application. which can include positions of responsibility, extracurricular activities, academic achievements or awards, and scholarships. In this section, it might be useful to research the skills that A&O look for and try to list examples of experiences that demonstrate those key qualities and skills. That is all we have for today. This video was specially requested, so if you guys want any more guidance for any other firms, please comment below or contact us via our LinkedIn page, which will be written in the description bar below. We hope that this video has been useful, and if it has, please like, share, comment and subscribe. We also want to thank Shanen and Annabel again for sharing this fantastic document with us. Do make sure you follow The Legal Lineup and Commercially Curious. Thanks for watching. See you next time.